if once you've done the dots you feel quite comfortable, why not try out something a bit more complicated? So I've got a folder here with stars in it. So what we'll do is we'll just do a quick example of a let's say a half drop with all these stars. So we've done these stars, or make your own icons, whatever you want to do. So we're going to copy those across. So it's 200, and then we're going to select all the stars again. There's all of them. So we're going to go 100 across, 200 down. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of these stars, and I'm going to lift them up a little bit so I can see what I'm working with a little more. Put that in the corner there. I think these are the stars that I want. Yep, so I'm going to choose that one, that one, that one, that one, and that one. Copy them across, 200. And then we're just going to fill in these gaps here with the stars. So let's take that one, use the Alt or the Option key to just copy the layer across. So copy the layer and then free transform the layer. So it's down, and then same process again. So Alt copy, and then do that. So then we'll choose that one, and we'll choose that one. And then we'll go across 200. And then once you've kind of got the knack of it, it becomes relatively quick to make a tile. I mean, it is part of my job, so I do these quite often. Well, I do these every day. So don't feel like you need to be as quick as this, but yeah, once you start to get the hang of it, you really start to enjoy the process, and it's something that you can do quite quickly as well. There is something in the beta stages at the minute, so I'm filming this in September 2019, so there's something in the beta stages called Adobe Textile Designers. Once it becomes a full thing for us to use, not a beta, I will make a video on it, because I think it's really going to change the game, especially for textile designers. But I don't want to show something that has lots of bugs in it, basically. And if it's in the beta stages, that's what they're hoping for, is that it is quite nice to use, but it is something that isn't open to everyone yet. So, or at least isn't fully sort of workable yet. So once it's up and ready fully, then we'll make a video on that. But yeah, see if you can have a go with it, see what you guys think. Let me know in the comments below what you think of it. So let's save that. So I've set up a tile, let's save that, and then in InDesign, we'll delete those, and we'll place our file. And then copy that across, so it's Command Option U or Control Alt U. And then, so this was a half step, so we're going to go 200 down and 100 across, and then copy that down twice, and then across. So if you want to see it without the lines as well, you can go to View, Screen Mode, Preview, and that's what it looks like. If it looks a bit blurry, if it looks like this or this, you can display performance high quality display, and that's really all you need from InDesign to have a look at your tile, really. If your tile isn't quite working, it means you need to have a look at your tile in Photoshop and then update the link. So let's move this one. So say you've accidentally moved one and you didn't realize you had. It becomes pretty quick, pretty obvious pretty quick that you've made a mistake, because your eye will just spot them. And it's quite easy to figure out, because you can see this is your tile here, and you can see that this tile, that star there on this tile is in the top left, and that star there is in the bottom right. So you can see it's something wrong with your half drop. So you'd look at that tile, maybe delete it or move it, but then you can just select that one, copy it across. Let's go 100, 200, save that. Relink your artwork and it should work. And then you can save that, save as a PDF, whatever you want to do with it. Or, whatever you're using your tile for. So I hope that was useful. Let me know in the comments below if you've got any questions, or how do you guys make tiles? How do you guys make tiles? If you do them differently to this, let me know. Okay, thanks.